Welcome to our channel. Today we shall show you the live demo and features of the YoDrift introductory YoDrift DX. This is the electronic vehicle. You can check out the close-up view of this vehicle. See the suspension it has got, the bike-like suspension it has been provided with. This is the rear wheel, and the stand is also very nice. Just click it and it's open up this way, so it's nice one. Here the back support is there, so that anybody can sit on the back end side with comfort. The large seat, two well designed dynamic mirrors. Front is also very nice. This is the front look. And in front it has been provided with disc brake, as you can check it out. This is the disc brake. This is the light, LED light, two LED lights which illuminates in the night, and you can see like miracle. Light is very gorgeous, and this is the designed light which is just for decoration purpose. It looks pretty good. If you don't want to turn on the headlight, this is the main headlight, then you can turn this also on. So it is this is the side view. See, let us check it out the features also. These are the right hand side controls. This is for the main decorative light, the middle one, and this starts off the headlight. First of all, you need to start the vehicle with key on. When you start it off, it will show in this manner. So this shows total kilometers run. We have purchased new one, so it is showing just 112 kilometers. Now this is the speed 00, and this is showing the battery level, the manufacturer, brand name, Yo Bike. Here there are 3 levels of speed, as you can check it out. This is 3, here it will 2 and 1. This is the lowest speed. It works at 20, then 25 and 30. So there are 3 stages like gear: first gear, second gear and third gear. This is the horn. It will blow in this manner, and this is the most astounding thing in this vehicle, that it has a reverse switch. You just have to press this switch along with the accelerator. This is the accelerator. If you press this switch and pull the accelerator towards you, the vehicle will start moving backward side. So reverse thing. That is the only extra thing which is being provided in this two-wheeler, which nobody else have. This is the side light. See the indicator, it glows like this. This is the right hand side, so right hand side indicator starts off. Again this one is on, and this is the headlight indicator. You need to start this one. So this is the headlight. This is lower side, and if you start the higher one, it will show this way. So all the features are most probably according to the car. Even they have provided the lock. This seat cover also opens dynamically through this level itself. Just move in the left hand side, and this has opened up the seat cover. As you can see, this seat cover has opened up. It has very large space inside it. There is only one LCD switch, otherwise space is very large. You can keep this large size of bag inside it. We'll show you the inside also. This is the thing. This much is the space. This is the side reflector, and the brake light is also very nice, and back light. These are the side lights on both sides. Let us see how it depicts over here. So actually currently this is off. Let us start on. Okay, so now we shall see how it works out. This is the side light indicator on back end side. Let us show you of the decorative light. See, oh, we didn't knew regarding this. It looks really pleasant. See the glamour of this light. It looks really beautiful during night. This is the light. Really it looks brilliant. And let us show you the headlight also. This is the main headlight, LED light. This is also is pretty good. There are two headlights, so it looks marvelous. Now we can put off this light. This is the accelerator, this is the holder, and both of these have brakes. And as we mentioned, there is a disc brake in front. Mirror is also very nice. One other feature of this vehicle. Yes, we are putting it off now. This is the key which has been provided. It has all the features of car. You can lock it out. See, if you pull it, just press it once. Now this vehicle is locked. You can't open it. You can't travel on this vehicle with this. Just have a glance at it. This is the so nicely decorated vehicle, and it is totally electric. You just have to charge it with a single charge. It runs something 70 to 80 kilometers. It has 5 batteries of 28 Ah and 12 volt. We will show you moving also in our next video, but this is the really very appreciable vehicle designed by Electro-Thumb company, popularly known as YoBike. This is the whole complete view of this vehicle. So it is loaded with lots of features. We were explaining regarding this one another feature like this locking. So we have already this is locked. Now if you need to open it, you just have to press this second one. So if it moves on 2 times and your vehicle is unlocked, now it is ready to move. But when you lock it with this button, this lock button, so its wheel, this rear wheel gets locked, and anyhow you cannot move it. But the most appreciable things are, or most positive points are, this one, shock absorber, the best one in the class at this much rate. You never feel that you are passing through some ditches and bungholes. And this one, disc brake, whensoever you need, just press slightly, the vehicle stops in the shortest period. So safety is the most efficient part, and this is the thing which has the disc brake, so it stops immediately. Regarding cost, it is having 56,000 rupees, including everything, accessories and on-road price, not ex-showroom but on-road price. This is the accessory which has been fitted with it. Accessory is also well designed for this vehicle. The main stand. So again we would like to highlight the main features. This is the absolute new feature, reverse motion. So you can move your, if you are trapped in some ditch and you are unable to take out your vehicle, you can use reverse switch and pull the accelerator, you will be out from that ditch. Second, the most promo feature, this one is which makes it attractive, is this light. It is really very appreciable. Then disc brake. Front shock absorbers are also pretty good. They are like that available in Hero Honda, so they absorb shock very efficiently and you do not feel the ride very awesome, very difficult. It really looks very pretty cool. And similarly this back shock absorbers. More or less the tires are also tubeless. You can check it out, tubeless tire. So you are now and they are of JK, so you are just free from any type of stress regarding puncture. If at all your vehicle gets punctured, you can easily ride back to your home without any problems, as this vehicle has tubeless tires. So everything is well and good in this vehicle. Nothing cons speed is limited due to the RTO restrictions. Otherwise everything is pretty cool. Charging time is approximately 6 to 8 hours, which makes it completely charged, and then it can run up to 80 kilometers. If you move this vehicle with low speed like 20-25, then it may walk up to 100 kilometers range as per the company's trend. They have already driven that vehicle at that speed. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do like, share and subscribe our channel, and we shall show you the live demo of moving vehicle also in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.